I did a video on the insider tool from Hashdive, and I thought it was only fair that I would also cover yet another super cool insider tool from Polysights, a website I haven't covered as of today. If you love stuff like this, love alpha, and recently love high frequency trading, I'd highly recommend you check out the link in the description below to my Discord. It has been amazing recently, I think for me and also for the people with us. So if you're interested in trading professionally, definitely go check out the link in the description below. Now let's talk about Polysights. Super cool tool that essentially can get you insiders across any poly market. There are a few settings though that I think are going to give you just a bigger edge, and I wanted to reveal them. So a few things. First of all, crypto and sports are horrible markets for insiders typically, so we're going to ignore those. I'm also going to deselect this. I like all three deselected. Also, table view is just going to be better. Let's go to quick filters. A few things that I need to say about this. This should probably be at 1K because some traders might be an insider but be trading only 2,000 at a time, maybe 1.5K at a time. So the 5K threshold just doesn't make a lot of sense. Total trades, it's fine. I don't think we need to touch that. Unique markets and market trades. Unique markets I'm not going to touch because that's essentially, hey, will Mr. Beast raise 40 million, 41 million, 42? All of that are unique markets, whereas the overall market would just be how much money will Mr. Beast raise, if that makes sense. So with market trades, I'm going to put that to 2 so that it's traders that have only traded 2 markets. This is wallet creation to transaction difference, or delta. This should be very low. This should be maybe 3 days. Essentially what this is saying is how much time did it take for them to create their account and then start betting on any market. That's what we're looking for. Now let's talk about actually finding insiders now that we have all these settings in here. Maybe one other thing I could add would be time stuff. But yeah, I think we'll just look at all of them so we can look at the past too. So here you can see we have a bunch of markets. There are some markets that I would probably throw away immediately as very likely not insiders. And that's going to be major political markets like this. Smaller political markets, such as the Norwegian election, probably pretty good. So will blah, blah, blah win? This could definitely be an insider. Why? Well, this is someone who, yes, they entered at 95%, but they're betting $10,000 within a day of when they created their account. And they're already up 850. So this is very likely going to be an insider, as you can see right here. Probably not a bad idea to buy this market as well. Very likely going to be, an insider. Another sign of an insider that doesn't apply here, but that I've found, if you want another little secret, they don't tend to have names. These are people that have named themselves. These are accounts right here. They have no name. See? There are markets like, there are accounts like this guy, blah, 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 C9. He doesn't have a name. This person's someone different. This person's someone different. This person, that might be an insider. And now if we just look at it through that lens, you can see a few people who really pop out here. The Lord Miles one, we know that that's an insider market. I covered that last week and the price went up since then. So that was, there probably still are a lot of insiders there. No change in federal interest rates. I don't know how many insiders that would really have. But let's go look at a few other ones that could be good. So there is a bettor. This guy right here, C9, blah, 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 C9, who's betting a lot in the US-Venezuela military engagement. And he's bet $5,000 multiple times for this market. So he is really, you can see all the trades. Look at this, all the trades here. He is really liking this market. So if we click on him, we can see here, it's going to say that. We can see here that he has $8.5 thousand here, as you can see. And not only that, he has entered with $33,000 of trading here, as you can see. Yeah, and these are the only trades that he's taken. So this trader clearly might know something that we don't. This is a sign of an insider. He joined in August. He doesn't have a name, and he's betting on a market that definitely could have insiders. let's actually take an even closer look at this guy, and I'll show you how to do that. If you want to take a closer look at someone, you click card view, and then we're actually going to get over to where he is, which is right here. Let's go look at the card view because this actually gives you more details on who the guy is, even more details than Polymarket would give you. So we know that this trader currently has a active position on, I think of like 9 grand or something like that. Now, we can see here, market volume 7.4K, market P&L, total trades too, because he's bought this market, he's bought into this twice. But what I like to look at is here. So trade correlation, there's unique markets, volume concentration. Yeah, so what this means is basically the closer that the blue is, the more likely that that is an insider. So his entry is really good. Sign of an insider, 1. 2, this is a hyper unique market and he's only traded 1 market. Insider reason 2. Trade correlation obviously doesn't apply here because there's only 1 trade taken, only 1 market traded. So there's not really correlation things, but I guess 100%, right? This one, which I love, which is wallet age to first bet. He barely waited before betting. This market, likely insiders. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. I don't know. But all I can tell you is that someone is trying not to get copied, and this kind of tool is picking it up. So that is essentially how you can find insiders. And this is a market that's not trading at 99%. This is a market trading at 25%. So there's a lot more room there to make money, right? Now, federal interest rates, I don't think would be the best for insider markets. I doubt it. This one probably. This guy bet right away. As you can see with this right here, he created his wallet, then bet immediately. So this, yeah, this could be. Oh, actually, I misspoke. If this is at 0, wallet age is 231 days ago. Yeah. So this means that he actually, or did he bet this 231 days ago? No, I think that this means that if it's at 0, he bet this. He created his account a long time ago and then just bet this. So I don't know if this is the best one ever, but the one that is really, really good is the other one, which is the military engagement. Now, when it comes to this one right here, will Tesla launch a driverless robotaxi? This one also has a lot of earmarks of insider betting on no. As you can see here, wallet age is only 16 hours, and this person has bet 8 hours ago. That's pretty fast. He bet no. And also, you can see a lot of different things here. Total trades 3, only 3 trades. His entry, very good. Sign of an insider. Hyper unique market, insider. He bet right away, insider. I mean, it's just an insider. What have we learned from this besides learning how to really view these insiders? The Tesla market with a robotaxi, someone's betting no and trying to be sneaky about it, as you can see right here. And that's the only market that they're in. Strange. Actually, they're in 3 markets, but this is one of the markets that they're in. The other markets that this person is in, maybe to disguise the fact of what they're, no, they're only in this market. All of their activity, it's only been trading this, as you guys can see. So yeah, this could definitely be the sign of someone who could be an insider. As you can see right here, they bought at 24, 25. They even bought at 61. So that could be an insider. And then also Lord Miles is an insider. And then the best market is probably going to be the military engagement. Such a cool tool. I hope that you find alpha from this. And if you like stuff like this, I would highly recommend you check the link in the description below for even higher alpha. With that, happy insider hunting and copying, and go make some money. See you guys.